Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and today we will revise Chapter 1 History of Computer and the Windows. Chapter 2. First we will see early inventions. That means during the invention of computer many devices was introduced. Here is the list of some devices. Abacus. Abacus is considered as the first counting device. It was introduced in China for addition and subtraction. After that, Pascal adding machine was introduced by Blaise Pascal in 1642. Leibniz calculator was introduced by the French mathematician Leibniz in year 1671. Difference engine and analytical engine. These are two devices were introduced by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. It doesn't mean he had invented the computer. He had given the ideas that there should be a machine having the capability to fast process and store the data for longer period of time. That's why he is called the father of computer. Now the binary number. Binary number, using that a computer performs actions. And this concept was introduced by Lady Augusta Lovelace. She is considered as the first lady programmer. Now Boolean logic. Boolean logic was introduced by George Boole. Using this concept, computer architecture is designed. After that, tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was introduced by Dr. Hermann Hollerith in year 1888. Mark I. Mark I was the first electronic digital calculator by the Howard Aiken in year 1944. ENIAC and UNIVAC was introduced by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert, where ENIAC is considered as the first electronic digital computer in year 1946. And UNIVAC was the first general purpose computer able to handle numeric and text data. Now we will see generations of computer. Generations of computer is divided into 5 categories: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. The first generation computer, the duration was 1940 to 56. And technology used was vacuum tube. In the second generation, 1956 to 63, and technology used was transistors. Third generation, 1964 to 71, and integrated circuit was used. In short, we call it IC. Fourth generation, 1972 to present, and the microprocessor is used right now. It is also called VLSI, very large scale integrator. It is a small chip that is used inside the CPU for the fast processing. And the fifth generation, present and beyond. That means the time has to become. Technology is the artificial intelligence. Using that, now a device has ability to think. You can see the example of robot. Now we will see different types of computer. Types of computer is divided according to their size. Microcomputer used in homes, offices or schools. Mini computer used in banks, universities and any big organization. Mainframe computer used in large business organization, airlines and railway ticket reservation. It provides a networked environment. Supercomputer, it is the fastest computer, it is the largest computer used for weather forecasting, used for satellite control, used for research purpose, etc. Now we will see different types of microcomputer. Different types of microcomputer, that is the desktop having the keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. It is placed on the desk, that's why it is called the desktop. Laptop computer easily can be placed on our lap. It is a portable computer that can carry anywhere. And the tablet computer. Tablet is the small computer that easily can be adjusted in our hand and it accepts the instructions using our fingertips. Now we will see chapter 2. Windows is an operating system, or we can say Windows is the system software. Now different versions of the Windows. Windows 1.0, Windows XP, Windows NT, Windows Vista, Windows 98, Windows 2003, Windows 2007, 8, 10, where first Windows was Windows 1.0. It was introduced in year 1985, and the latest window, that is the Windows 10, introduced in July 2015. Now there are some features of the Windows. Windows Hello feature provides security to your system. Snap Assist feature help you to rearrange multiple windows to make the best use of your screen space. That means at the same time many windows can be accessed on the screen. Live tiles display latest update and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails, etc. Next is the Universal App. Universal App is an integral part of Windows 10. This app works on all the devices. It means we can use it on the mobile as well as in the desktop. Now some questions are given. You have to watch the video and do these questions in your copy. Thank you.